Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Are you ever want to find photos you are liked? You are in right place to see how, so let's start. First open your Instagram app. After that go to your profile. Then you need to tap on this 3 lines. And go to your activity. Now click on interactions. And you need to tap on likes, to go on likes photo. Now you can see all photos you liked on Instagram. You can also choose short and filters to see photos. You can click on select, and select the photos you want to unlike. And go to unlike. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.